Hi, Laura Franklin-Gething, Head of Learner Services. One of the big questions that I get asked is what additional support do you give your students? Now obviously you've heard from learning mentors and our wonderful safeguarding team. So there's a lot of pastoral support, but other things that we offer is we offer free school meals. Now free school meals, if you are entitled to a free school meal, you will receive a delivery of lunch every day. We do it with a company called Fillers, who are fabulous, and they put together a little packed lunch, and you get to choose that. So, and that's working really well at the moment for our students. We also take the money and we give a certain amount of food to everybody. The second thing we offer is a discretionary bursary. A discretionary bursary is actually a bus pass. It's a weekly bus pass that you may be entitled to. Now, we would give that to a household that was receiving under 18,000 and they lived 1.5 miles away. But again, if you didn't know if you fitted into that category, you could talk to any of the pastoral team or our admin to discuss that. The final bursary that we offer is what's called a vulnerable bursary. The vulnerable bursary is for students who are looked after children, who are in receipt of benefits such as universal credit in their own right, or they are living independently. The idea of the vulnerable bursary, it's a certain amount of money that we are given by the government to use to help students progress. Now, and that's within education. Now, what we use that for is, firstly, do you need a bus pass? Because that's the first important thing. We've got to get you here. So transport is super important. If the answer is yes, we put some of that money towards bus pass. The second thing that we try to do with it is what will help you progress into employment, or what can we use it for? Is it work experience and you need a pair of special boots? We'll buy those for you. Is it that you want to do beauty, really interested in beauty, but you can't afford the course? We'll pay for that. Is it that you really want a CSCS card? That's fine, we can pay for the course and we can get you the CSCS card. So that money is kept with us and it is discussed with your learning mentor about what you'd like to spend that money on. So yeah, what will happen is when you start with us, we give you a bursary form and you fill that in. We will request evidence, and that evidence could be some statements of your benefits, it could be statements of your income, it could be, if you're a looked after child, it could just be an email from your social worker. If you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to email us or check out our website, which is www.greenlabyrinth.co.uk.